There is no smartphone you can call it as a best, because it depends upon the feature or features you are looking on any smartphone. If you get most of the features, so that phone should be best for you. The best smartphone may not be best for you, so before you buy any smartphone, do check out this small detail. So in case of the OnePlus device, the recently current flagship OnePlus 6 and hopefully in the 60, I'm sure this thing is going to be true there. Recently, from sometimes I am noticing when I'm trying to copy any content from this phone, maybe it is a case of taking backup on my computer, regular weekly backup, or something to store on my SSD, which we did check recently. So I noticed that the data transfer speed is not very great on this phone. But if I use this phone, my older Pixel, my first generation Pixel, so they all are transferring data rate so faster. The Galaxy Note 9 is using USB 3.0 Type-C connection, while this guy, the OnePlus 6 as of today, is using the USB 2.0 connection. Now, I'm not sure what it is the reason behind that. Maybe due to the cost cutting, definitely for sure, or could be some reason. But compared to this phone, when I'm transferring something with this one, it is super quick here. So to show you guys in the best way, here is a quick example. Here is a quick speed test. I'm just showing you. So right side we have the OnePlus 6 and left side we have the Galaxy Note 9. So I am transferring a file folder which is 16.23 gigabytes in overall size from my SSD to the phone internal storage. So you guys can see the average speed. So average transfer speed on the Galaxy Note 9 I am getting is near about the 180-190 MB per second, or you can say most of the times it is 100 megabytes per second and above. While in case of the OnePlus 6, I'm just showing you the fast forward just to catch up there in the side by side. OnePlus 6 is on an average just giving me 25 to 26 megabytes per second on an SSD which has a capability of 540 megabytes per second, even though you're not going to get that thing. But somehow I am getting a much better speed on the Galaxy Note 9. So we are going to see an actual result on the final, like how much time each phone is going to take at the end of the transfer. So if you are in such a way, a profession, or you are in such a need, like you need to transfer a lot of data from one phone to SSD or other phones too, so this could be deal breaking for you, because in case of OnePlus 6 they are not giving you the expandable storage option. So you need to use some kind of external connection, like I said, cable connection from the Type-C to the computer or to the SSD. While in case of Note 9 you have the SSD, you have the flexibility, you can expand or whatever is the reason. You guys know that sometimes we need to have some kind of way to take the data out, because there is a limitation in storage on the OnePlus. So in case of the Galaxy Note 9, we are about to the complete, almost 40 seconds left. So do check the remaining time and the elapsed time in both the phones. So there is a huge amount of difference. In case of the OnePlus 6, we have already elapsed 8 minutes of the time, while in case of the Note 9 it is just under 2 minutes. So looks like there's going to be huge difference. So we are about to complete, and 7 seconds, 6 seconds, 5 seconds, 9, 8. So in just couple of seconds Galaxy Note 9 is going to complete. So here is the final results. Take a look. So Note 9 took 2 minutes 6 seconds, while the OnePlus took the 10 minutes 16 seconds. So that is an exactly around 5 time difference. So you can see how much actual difference you're going to get between the USB 2.0 versus 3.0. So like I said, this could be a deal breaking for some of you, not all of them. Do try to pay attention to small details also. So in case of OnePlus 6, I'm not using this phone a lot for the media purpose now, because it has a slower data transfer rate. Now OnePlus 6T is an incremental upgrade to the OnePlus 6. Definitely it's going to regain the same USB 2.0, and there is no expandable storage. So try to go with the 128 gigabytes so that you can avoid buying such kind of SSDs, or depending on the computer stuff, or look for other alternatives. So that's been it guys for this video. Hope you guys did enjoy this small things that I wanted to show you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.